Namaste my friend. So today is class for a beginner. So this is a Hatha Yoga for a beginner. So I'm going to take you through the beginner sequence of Hatha Yoga. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and press the bell button. That will get a notification from our school, so you can practice more other style of yogas with me. So before you want to do this practice of the Hatha, so we have to understand how the breath works with that, how the role of the breath we have to understand. If you can breathe, you can do yoga. If you cannot breathe, you might not do the yoga. So here we apply first the beginning of the breath. You have to understand the three part of the breath, that is called Dirgha Pranayama also. Three part is chest area from the clavicle to the chest, and chest from to the diaphragm, and diaphragm to the belly. So these three part we have to work with this breath. What this breath will do, it will oxygenate our whole system of the body, internal organs, and it balance the nadis. And there is two nadis is called, the word is Hat Yoga. So Ha is a sun, Tha is a moon. So we have to balance these two energy by doing the practicing. So then only we balance ourselves. So doing by this. So let's bring your right hand on your chest and left hand on your belly, and you will be taking a deep breath, and first you are pulling the belly, then you will expanding the chest like that, and then exhaling you squeezing first the chest and the belly like that. So inhale one more time, take a deep breath, you let your belly allow to come out and expand your chest as much as you can. Activate your diaphragm. Now exhale from chest and from your lower belly, but don't let your spine squeeze here. Try to keep as much as you can straighter. Now inhale, take a deep breath, inhale. Belly and the chest, and then exhale from your lung, that chest get a squeeze, then belly comes in. Again, inhale, pull belly, you lift your chest now. Now exhale from the chest and the belly. Now inhale again, open your belly as much as you can. Now exhale, lose your chest, lung and the lower belly. Now one more time, do yourself, taking deep breath. Again inhale. Exhale. So this is the first breath exercise we have to apply. So then you will understand how the breath works with asana. That is very much important, and we will work on the alignment of the asanas also in this class. So from there, coming to the standing pose, we're going to do Surya Namaskar. This practice is Surya Namaskar is warms up your body, and this is a complete sadhana for a spiritual practitioner. So this must be before any yoga you begin. You have to do this because it loose your joints and stretch your muscles, and it channelizes your solar energy and brings the lunar energy into the balance. So by doing this practicing, you can do more than 700 asana very easily. So let's begin. Join your both feet together. From here, bring your hands close to your heart. Let your feet ground. Connect to yourself. Find your own space. Feel free to do this practice and connect with your body and the mind. Now inhale, raise your arms over your head, open your chest and arch back. If you have a lower back pain, If you are a lot of like pressure is going into lower back, you slightly bend your knee and open your chest. Now inhale, we inhale and we back bend. Now exhale, slowly come into the forward fold. You have to completely exhale that you can fold nicely. Now inhale, from there your right leg back, your right knee on the floor and look up and stretch your ankle here. Now from here, crawl your right toes on the floor, bring your left leg to the right and spread your fingers. Keep body in one line here. You do not let your body hunch here, just in one line. Now exhale, drop your knee, your chest, your chin on the floor and push your buttock up. Now inhale, slide up come into your navel. So here you stretch your ankle. If you have a lower back pain, you can open your thighs and lift the chest, and palms are next to your costal of the rib. Then look up. Now exhale, from there come into the downward dog. If you cannot press your heels on the floor, you open your leg and stretch your spine. Now inhale, your right leg front, left knee on the floor, look up. Now from there exhale, bring your another leg front, feet are little open, slightly bend your knee to chest. If you bend your knee to chest, your spine will get here stretch. If you just do like that, it will round your back. So you don't do that variation. You bend your knee, bring your knee to chest, your hips are aligning here, your pelvis is aligning. Now inhale with a rolling spine. Why we roll the spine? We don't want a lot of pressure comes on our lower back. So we roll, inhale, and we stabilize feet and toes. Now raise your arms overhead. Exhale, release your hands side by. 4 to 6 rounds we have to do. So today I will be doing only for the beginner 4 rounds. This is a half round with the right leg. So let's do the half round more. Now inhale, raise your arms overhead. Again bend your knee if you have a lower back pain. Now exhale, complete exhalation until your lower belly goes in as we did in the beginning. Now inhale your left leg back, left knee on the front knee 90 degree, back leg is stretch and look up. If you might here, so what you do, you can bring your foot front and lift your chest. Now retain the breath, bring your body in. Spread your fingers, you don't do like that. Spread and stretch your ankle. Exhale, drop your knee, your chest, your chin on the floor. Now inhale, come into the mini cobra with stretching ankle, elbows press to your chest. Now exhale, go into the downward dog from there. Now inhale, lift your left leg comes front. If you are like this, so you bring or walk with your feet, stretch your hips here. This is hips opening asana. Exhale, now from there come into the forward fold, feet are slightly apart, thighs to the chest, elbows are bent if you can. Now inhale again with rolling spine, raise your arms overhead, slightly bend your knee, feel the open your chest. Exhale, hands in namaskar. This is 1 round. We're going to do 3 more rounds. Now inhale again, raise your arms overhead, open your chest, slightly bend your knee. I like to bend your knee because I want to open my chest and nice back bend happens here. If you are just opening, lower back only works here. If you stretch your knee, okay, if you bend your knee, it opens. Again exhale, fold forward. Thigh to chest, exhale. Now inhale, right leg back, right knee on the floor, look up. Now retain the breath, come into the plank pose, spread your fingers. Exhale, drop your knee, your chest and chin on the floor. You can do forehead also on the floor, but this is advanced. Now inhale, slide up into the mini cobra, press elbows, stretch your ankle. Exhale into the downward dog. Again, if you cannot bring your feet, you open your feet. Do not walk in. If you walk in, it rounds like that. So we don't want to round our back. We want to stretch our back. So be there wherever you are, just open. Now inhale, your right leg front, left knee on the floor, look up.
Exhale, another leg front. Your palms next to your feet, bending the knees, and now inhale again with rolling spine slightly. Bend your knee and open your chest. Exhale, release your hands sidewise. Now again inhale, raise your arms over your head. Slightly bend your knee, press your feet on floor. Exhale, fold forward. Now inhale your left leg back, left knee on the floor and look up. Retain the breath. Lift your left leg, bring your right leg to the left leg and body. Now exhale, drop your knee, chest and chin on the floor. Now inhale, slide up into the mini cobra. Now exhale, go into downward dog. Again, you open your feet, do not walk in. Now inhale, lift your left leg and bring front. Don't do that one again. Watch, you bring front, 90 degree, that your knees joint will not get tear. Otherwise it got a torque. Now exhale, from there come into the forward fold. Slightly bending knee. Look how far you can go. Now inhale with rolling spine again. Raise your arms over your head. Exhale, release your hands sidewise into the Namaskara Mudra. Now this is second round. 2 more rounds we're going to do. Now inhale again, stretch your arms over your head. Slightly bend your knee. Now exhale, slowly fold forward. Palms next to the feet with bending knee. Your palms has to be next to the feet. It's not like that, not like this. Bend and bring. Now inhale, right leg back. Right knee on the floor and look up. Now from there, crawl your right toes, retain the breath, come into the plank. Exhale, drop your knee and chest and chin, push your buttock. Your lumbar spine is here, arching. Now inhale, come into the cobra, mini cobra. Exhale into downward dog. Now inhale, your right leg front, left knee on the floor, front knee 90 degree. Exhale, another leg front. Your thigh to chest. Now inhale with rolling spine all the way, come up. Raise your arms over your head, slightly bend your knee. How far you can go? Exhale, release your hands sidewise. Now again, inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Now inhale, your left leg back, left knee on the floor, look up. Now retain the breath, come into the body in one line. Exhale, drop your knee, your chest and chin. Now inhale, slide up into the mini cobra. Exhale into downward dog. Now inhale, lift your left leg front, right knee on the floor, look up. Exhale, another leg front. Now inhale with rolling spine all the way, raise your arms over your head, arch back. Exhale, release your hand. Last round again. Take a deep breath again with your nose, inhale. Exhale. Now inhale, your right leg back, right knee on the floor, look up. I hope you are getting me. Now retain the breath, come into the plank, solid plank. Now exhale, drop your knee, your chest, chin on the floor, buttock put up. Now inhale, slide up into the mini cobra. Exhale into downward dog. Now inhale, your right leg front, left knee on the floor, look up. Exhale, another leg front. Now inhale all the way with rolling spine, raise your arms over your head. Again, arch back. Exhale, release your hands sidewise. Now left side, inhale again, raise your arms over your head and arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Now inhale, your left leg back, left knee on the floor, look up. Now retain the breath, keep body in one line. Exhale, drop your knee, chest, chin on the floor. Inhale, slide up into the mini cobra. Exhale into downward dog. Now inhale, lift your left leg front, right knee on the floor. Now exhale, another leg front. Now inhale all the way with rolling spine, raise your arms overhead. Exhale, release your hands side by. And now come again top of your mat. Now we're gonna do Vrishasana, tree pose. Your right foot comes on your left thigh and make namaste. If you can balance. Otherwise, you go to the wall and then you balance yourself here. Now 10 breath here. If you try to push your hips or a balance or just go here, connect, press your lower heel on the floor and 10 breath. 1, 2, keep breathing as I taught you. Breathe will make your energy channelize and you will feel good. Your tense will release, your stress will release. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your right foot on the floor, stretch your knee. Now inhale, bring your left foot. Again, if you can balance without a wall. If you cannot, you take the support of the wall. Breathe. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find your balance. Don't fall down. 8, 9, 10. Now slowly release your hands and release your legs. Shake them, move them. Now bend your both knee. We're going to do Garuda Asana. Your right foot, your right thigh comes on your left thigh. And if you can wrap like that. Or if you cannot, you just point your toes. Both hands bring front. And now right elbow comes up, left elbow. But here you need to stretch like that way. Now breathe. 1, find your balance. 2, 3, lift your elbow, stretch your shoulder. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your hands first and then release your right foot from the left and again shake them, move them. Now bend your knee, inhale, left goes to the left thigh goes on the right thigh. If you can again hold your toes on your calf or into your Achilles, or you just point your toes. Now inhale, before we have a right hands up, this time left arms up, right up. Now again breathe 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, find your balance. 8, 9, 10. Release your hands and now stretch your leg and shake them, move them. Now we're gonna sit down. We stretch our leg first. Now we make a Baddha Konasana. Now inhale, raise your arms over your head. Exhale, fold forward as far as you can, but do not let your spine round here. Open chest and elbows on the floor if you can. If you cannot, that's fine. Now breathe here 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, gently raise your arms overhead. Exhale, release your hands side by, release your both leg. Now Paschimottanasana. Here inhale, raise your arms overhead. Now exhale again, as I mentioned you before. Exhale, slightly bend your knee if you cannot. You don't round here like that. Try to hold and bend. Bring your thigh to chest. Try to knee join together and go here 10 breath. However you want to go, but don't let your forehead to knee. You lift your chest because we have to align our chest. Yes, you have to bring your forehead to knee, but you are beginner, so we have to align here. Now breathe. 2, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly stretch your leg. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, release your hands side by. Now we're going to do Matsyendrasana, Lord of Fish pose. Now from here, bend your both knee. Your right knee comes on the floor. The left knee you can do it. I'm doing left knee. And your right heel comes next to your left knee. Both hands behind your back. Inhale, now lift your left hand. Exhale, you can twist if you can. If you are good, you can bring your hands also like that, but you have to do internal rotation of your shoulder. With exhale again, you can do twisting with exhale. This is the asana. If you cannot, you just like that and bring your hands back. 3, I'm going to do the full one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look front, release your first right hand and the left hand up. Inhale, both hands behind your back. Now release your right foot from the left knee and left knee up. Now this time right knee goes down and your left heel comes front of your knee, both hands behind your back. Now inhale, lift your right hand. Exhale, twist if you can. If you are more good, you can just twist like me. Now breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and look front, release your first left hand and the right hand, both hands behind your back, and now from there lie down on your back. Now we're going to do here shoulder stand. Shoulder stand you can do it with both legs stretching up and rolling, or what you're going to do, if you have a t-shirt, you can bring your t-shirt in. That will not come in your face, so bring inside. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. The Sarvangasana, shoulder stand we call it. From here you will be lifting your both leg, rolling and supporting here if you can. If you cannot, you just bend your knee, you just come up, Then we have to go to the wall. Our hips goes to the wall, and then we lie down and we turn our hips again to the wall, and we place our feet and lift off here. Any variation you can do now. Now do it. Full variation. If you are more good, you can stretch here also like that. And breathe here 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly drop your back on the floor. Bend your first left knee, right knee, lower back on the floor. Now again twist. Again come into the lying asana. Savasana we call it. Now we're going to do Halasana, the plow pose. Now join your both feet together. Again, if you can come like this, just come like this. If you cannot come like this, again you bend your knee and roll your both feet, bring behind of your head. If not, if you cannot like here, you open your leg, slightly bend your knee and hold your here heel. If you still cannot do it, so again, now this time we turn opposite side of the wall with stretching the leg. Now slowly we roll the back and bring our feet to the wall. Again 10 breath. So these all the variation whatever you can. I am going to show you the wall if people who cannot do it. So 3, breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, keep breathing, 9, 10. Slowly bend your knee, slowly roll your back. Slowly you come into again to your mat with a straight leg. And now from here stretch your arms over your head. Inhale and exhale. Now bend your knee. The last asana we're going to do. For that we counter pose of these all. Now inhale, lift your hips and stretch your as much as you can your thighs. Bring your hands under your hips and push as much as you can. Now breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly drop your hips on the floor. Bend your knee to chest. Little bit. Roll. Rotate. Other side. Now from here, lie down into the Savasana. Your feet are apart. Your palm facing up. Your lower back, head is spine in one line. Gently close your eyes. Now lose your whole body. Lose your tense, your fatigue you had. Do not fall asleep into this asana. This asana is to keep alert and aware. This is called a dead pose. Savasana also we call it, Sanskrit. Mritaka asana also we call it. Now just feel yourself cool, calm. Surrender your body to the Mother Earth. This time you open your sense. Any sounds you feel. you connect with it, any kind of that sounds, you hear anything, just relax yourself. Relax your mind, relax your body. Relax. Now you're quiet. Now here I'm going to close. If you want to be there in this asana, you can carry on. So I will be closing class slowly. If you want, you can close with me, or you just carry on. Twist to your left side. Come into the sitting posture with closing eyes, hands close to your heart. Namaste. Thank you for watching this video. So if you have any questions regard this class, so please do let me know below in the comment, or you can write to me a message. I'm also giving the one-on-one class or private class. We have a yoga teacher training courses is coming. So if you want to join one of our teacher training courses, you are most welcome. And let me know how you like the class. That is very much important for me. Or if you want to request some other class, I will be happy to make for you. Namaste.